Okay, so we are discussing one topic now. Which topic? When we reduce the equations, then after reduction, so equations converting into a pair of linear equations in two variables, then we have to find the solution. No, so for that, so we are seeing one problem, right? That is your example problem. Okay, this problem only, no, solve the pair of equations, that is 2 by x plus 3 by y, which is equal to 13. So another one is 5 by x minus 4 by y, which is equal to minus 2. So are you observing the equations are pair of linear equations in two variables? No, because the equations are not in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so but what we have to do now, we have to convert this equation into pair of linear equations in two variables. How can we convert these equations into pair of linear equations in two variables? By reducing something. What we have to reduce? See, you just observe this equation. 2 divided by x, 3 divided by y. Here 5 divided by x, 4 divided by y. Are you observing something common here? Here 1 by x, here also 1 by x. 2 into 1 is always there, no? So we can remove 1 by x outside. Here also 1 by x. Same thing you have to take, okay? So common. Here 1 by y. If we take 3 outside, remaining is 1 by y. Here also 1 by y. So let us write the given pair of equations as 2 you take outside. So in bracket what is remaining? 1 by x. Plus here you 3 take outside. In bracket you will get 1 by y, which is equal to 13. Okay, now in the second equation 5 into, so here 1 by x minus 4 into 1 by y, which is equal to minus 2. This is the first step. So we have to take something 1 by x part or something part we in bracket. Okay, na? So we have got the two equations now. This is the first step. So these equations are not in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now we can do one trick. What is that trick? This bracket we have to represent by one letter a in the z tanka. Any letter you can choose. Okay, now substitute this 1 by x. Can we give one name for this? 1 by x, we will take it as p. Okay, na? So for a little bit time, we are taking that 1 by x as p. Now we are considering that 1 by x as p. And 1 by y as q. We are taking that 1 by y as q. P and q are close friends, no? So 1 by x we are taking as p and 1 by y we are taking as q. In equations 1 and 2, then what you will get? Okay, na? So 2 into 1 by x plus p. Then 3 into 1 by y plus q, which is equal to 13. Then 5 into 1 by x is p minus 4 into q, that is equal to minus 2. Now you have got the pair of linear equations. Now you are observing no pair of linear equation. For that what trick you applied, you have got the idea. Okay, now for every problem you have to choose one bracket, common bracket for the both the equations. Then you will get the pair of linear equations in two variables. Now you just observe, you have got the two equations. Further, you all know elimination method. Using elimination method, first solve these equations. Okay, na? Once again, in this class, I'll recall that elimination method. 2p plus 3q is equal to 13. Not divided by. Second equation is 5p minus 4q is equal to minus 2. Which one you are going to eliminate? Here, 3 and 4. This q I want to eliminate. For that, first multiply equation 1 by 4, equation 2 by 3. Then you will get the after multiplication 8p plus 12q is equal to 52. Then second equation is 15p minus 12q is equal to minus 6. Got the idea now? Now, no need to use the sign change rule because already sign the two terms with the opposite sign, same terms with the opposite sign. You can easily eliminate this 12q and 12q. What is remaining? 8p plus 15p is 23p, which is equal to 52 minus 6 is 46. That is p is equal to 46 by 23. That is p is equal to 2. P2. that substitute p is equal to 2 in any one equation. Okay, I chose 5p minus 4q is equal to minus 2. After the substitution, I got q is equal to 3. Okay, now p2, when we substitute that p is equal to 2 value in any one equation, you will get the answer q is equal to 3. Now the problem is not over. Only we got p and q all value, but what we need actually solution in the sense x and y we need. Okay na, x and y ನಾವಿಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಏನು 1 by x ಅನ್ನೋ ಇದನ್ನ p ಅಂತ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್